Live from the Fastener TV studios, it's In the News with Fastener News Desk.
Thank you, Chris. I'm Lisa Kleinhandler, Editor-in-Chief at Fastener News Desk. It's In the News the week of May 9th, 2022. In Fastener News, the Fastener Distributor Index survey for April 2022 was released today. The FDI softened last month, coming in at 52.6 versus the March reading of 57.2, seasonally adjusted. Also moderating, the forward-looking indicator dipped to 55.1 after jumping to 65.4 the previous month. While optimism did cool, the marker remained strong and marks the 23rd consecutive month of positive outlook. Please share the FDI with your fellow North American fastener distributors and encourage them to participate. Your help keeps the index strong. Go to fastenersclearinghouse.com for more information. Fastener News Desk would like to thank our sponsor, the International Fastener Expo, the largest B2B expo of industrial fasteners, tooling, and machinery in North America. Since 1981, the event continues to bring together the manufacturers and master distributors of fasteners, precision form parts, fastener machinery and tooling, and other related products and services with distributors and sales agents in the entire supply and distribution chain. Held annually in Las Vegas, Nevada, the event consists of an all-day conference program presented by endorsing fastener associations. Be sure to save the dates, October 17th through the 19th. For more information, go to fastenershows.com. And Birmingham Fastener, one of the nation's most prominent fastener manufacturers, announced that young fastener professional Baron Yarborough will be joining their family of companies as the general manager of their recently acquired Champion Manufacturing. And Optimus Solutions announced that they have a new Chief Information Officer. Paul Shore will lead the technology strategy for Optimus Solutions and oversee all aspects of IT for the company. Under his guidance, Optimus plans to strategically invest in technology that drives business efficiencies, fuels growth, and brings further innovation to bear for their customers. Read more information about Paul Shore and his plans to accelerate Optimus's forward faster transformation at optimus.com. And in fastener acquisition news, GH Capital Partners, a leading middle market private equity firm, announced today that it has completed the acquisition of Orveco, based in Cold Spring, Kentucky. Founded in 1916, Orveco is a leading master distributor of automotive fasteners as well as general industrial fasteners used in maintenance, repair, and operations applications. Terms of the acquisition were not disclosed. GHK's acquisition of Orveco will enable the company to pursue future organic and inorganic growth initiatives as it continues to expand and evolve its product portfolio, supplier base, and customer-focused sales strategy. All key senior executives will remain with the company. And Prime Source Brands, a North American provider of specialty branded residential building products backed by Clear Lake Capital, announced today that it has acquired Axis LLC, a provider of fastening tools and collated fasteners. The transaction is Prime Source's fourth acquisition during the Clear Lake ownership. Financial terms were not disclosed. And in fastener news from abroad, Bloomberg reported that Vescovini Group is planning an IPO in Milan that could value the maker of the industrial fasteners company at as much as $2 billion. Vescovini manufactures more than 1.3 billion industrial fasteners, such as nuts, bolts, and axles. The company supplies its products to the automotive, construction, and agricultural machinery sectors and generates annual revenues of $248 million. In distribution news, Lawson Products has announced a name change to Distribution Solutions Group Incorporated, a best-in-class specialty distribution company, which includes operating companies Lawson Products, Test Equity, and Gexpro Services. They will be changing their ticker symbol and will be trading on the NASDAQ under the symbol DSGR, commencing on Monday, May 9th. And in fastener event news, save the week for the Midwest Fastener Association's Fastener Week, happening August 21st to the 26th. You'll be able to get involved in a bed building event that will benefit the Sleep in Heavenly Peace organization, go to a fastener seminar, golf outing, and lots more. Registration is available at mwfa.net. Stay in the know about all the latest industry events at Fastener News Desk. And in 3D printing news, Worth Additive Group hits the road again with their 3D Demo Days tour. Join Worth as they travel across North America to showcase their entire spectrum of 3D printing and digital inventory capabilities. Their next tour stop is on May 11th and 13th in Libertyville, Illinois. To get more information and check out their entire tour schedule, go to worthindustry.com. And the International Fastener Expo, Fastener Hall of Fame, recognizes professionals who have made a significant and enduring contribution to the fastener industry. This year marks the 40th anniversary of the Fastener Hall of Fame. Who do you think should be honored with this prestigious award this year? To nominate, go to fastenershows.com. The deadline to submit is July 30th. The stories we have featured in this week's episode of In the News can be found at Fastener News Desk or in our Twitter feed at Fastener News or on our LinkedIn community at Fastener News. And Fastener News Desk is preparing for the grand opening of the Fastener Museum. The online museum will feature a collection of industry memorabilia that dates back over the past decades. We welcome your fastener company to share individual digital images of your memorabilia with us to add to the Fastener Museum. Help us to create the largest online collection of fastener-related history. This week's episode has been sponsored by Product Genius Technology. Enhance your company's website customer experience with the best view for industrial product search. The past 2 years have certainly been a digital wake-up call for distributors and manufacturers. B2B buyer behaviors have gone full-on digital. Digitizing data and product information is key to the beginnings of your business's digital transformation. Is your product data ready for e-commerce and a great user experience? Product Genius Technology's services include data cleaning and preparation, consultation and strategizing. Contact productgeniustechnology.com or call 1-800-FASTENERS to find out how to get started today. If you'd like to share your company's events, news, or sponsor an upcoming episode of In the News, or you'd like to add to the Fastener Museum, contact me, Lisa, at FastenerNewsDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of In the News with Fastener News Desk. Until next week, be well, be safe, and keep it fascinating.